Hi guys, so I wanted to share the tool that causes the magic with my hair. So this is by Jomobuty, I think that's how you pronounce it, which is the negative ion hair dryer. It comes with all these nozzles right here, as you can see, so you can either just blow dry your hair, just use it to flat iron it pretty much, and then it has a diffuser. I'm obviously going to use the diffuser. So quick tip with negative ions is it will generate less heat in your hair, obviously. So this will neutralize positive charge in the hair, which will smooth out any type of frizzy hair, if you know what I mean, and just kind of eliminating static electricity. I know that was kind of a science lesson, but I'm going to show you guys how I use it. I will maybe do a blow dry like straight, because that is obviously what's going to cause the really straight silky look. But what I'm going to do is create that curly Carrie hair that she's obviously known for in Sex and the City. I love her hair. I'm actually rewatching the show again for the 10th time. So I just use a little bit of this cream product right here. It's gel. So my hair is medium wavy to curly pretty much. It used to be straight from all the bleaching, but I've really let my hair grow naturally, so the curls are coming back. If you have stick straight hair, this might not work for you, but I mean, you could try it anyways. Maybe do some braids, and then once your hair overnights with the braids, as it's still damp, use the diffuser, because that is what's gonna give you that crazy curly hair. It's not crazy, but you know, bouncy curls. So here is the air dryer. It has a few settings, so you turn it on obviously by the first button, and then as you can see right here, I put the sound on, so you might not hear me that well, but as you can see, you can do it from hot and cool. So cool is better when you're air drying your hair straight, and I like it on the heat and the highest setting for this hair. That way it'll only take you 5 minutes to get that Carrie hair. Obviously, if you have wavy to curly hair, it's going to be a lot better, but if you do have stick straight hair, like I said, I completely recommend you either letting your hair sit in braids for a little bit and then doing this, because if you have stick straight hair, I'm not sure how great the diffuser will work. But yeah, using a negative ion hair dryer is a lot better for your hair. And yeah, so I just do this thoroughly all around my hair as it's damp and wet, and your hair has to be damp. You can't do it when it's dry, because it's just not gonna work unless you have lots of gel in your hair. But I've tried it many ways, but you just have to flip your hair all around and just let the air dryer do its thing with the diffuser. The diffuser is what makes the magic happen. And I really like this one because it's kind of like a magnetic attachment, so the diffuser just gets stuck right away because it has like magnets on it. It's pretty cool. So it's easy if you want to take this with you traveling. You really, really like this air dryer. I use it all the time when I do my Carrie look, and I call it my Carrie Bradshaw hair. But yeah, it's pretty much almost dry, as you can see. You just want to keep doing it until you get that desired poofy curly look. And obviously, it's not gonna come out super, super perfect unless you have naturally super, super curly hair. Like I said, I have medium wavy curly hair, so I do need a little bit of help from a curling iron after this, just for some pieces that look straight. So you can see it looks pretty much perfect, but I do have some straightish pieces, and that's from all the hair coloring I do. So I just take a 1-inch curling iron, it doesn't matter what it is, and curl the few pieces that look a bit straight, in my opinion. That's what's gonna really give you that Carrie Bradshaw hair, and you could strut your stuff down New York City or wherever you're from in the city with some nice Manolo Blahniks or the more affordable pump, I would say so myself. And yeah, so after you're done doing that, it should look nice and bouncy just like Carrie. Of course, everything will be linked down below, but I can't achieve this style without a diffuser. But that is basically it. So shake it up, and this is so much fun. I just love the way it just is bouncy, carefree, and you can wear it on a humid day because it's pretty much 75 or 80% natural because you're just using a diffuser. Also, you could tease it with a small comb to get more of that voluminous Carrie Bradshaw look. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.